Number 4 is my buddy from India, Girish Kario, if that is how you pronounce it. Hope it is. You have some really good lighting in your apartment or in your room, in your house.
Hey guys, in this video we're going to see how to turn this lighting to... So yes guys, this is our final lighting setup for my YouTube videos. So here we have a main light which is a 200 watt LED light at 45 degree towards my face. So it acts as a main light. Here we have a 50 watt RGB light where I have selected the red color to act as a fill light, and in the back we have a simple tube light which is acting as a backlight. You have the trim kind of effect on my back, right?
This was also a very good way to show it off for this giveaway. So I really appreciate that you went all in, showed it off, and like great job on the English as well. I know it's not easy because I'm not a native English speaker myself, but I really like this. So had to include you in top 6 as well.
Hey guys, welcome back. So from the thumbnail you'd have probably known that I am one of the runners up of Peter Lindgren's Nanlitemysetup giveaway. So yes, I'm really very happy about that, but more than winning or getting the runner-up of that giveaway, I'm more happy that my work is recognized by someone from Sweden, where I have competed with a lot of people around the world, and like his words of my buddy from India, he's kind of an inspiration for me. So it's like more of, I'm just extremely happy that yeah, I actually did this, because if I had not done that, now he would have not seen me or known me, right? So yes, you have to push whatever the opportunity that's near you. You have to push yourself and try to just do it. And yeah, I'm really very happy about that. And thanks for all the ones who had been a great support from when I started this channel. So yes, we are gonna grow and reach more heights together. So that's all the intro. Let's move into the today's video, where yeah, you have a unboxing knife. And yes, today's video is something related to lighting. So yes guys, if you are new to the channel or if you just followed me through Peter's video, thanks for joining. And yeah, here we talk photography, filmmaking, editing, and many other social media stuff that help creators like us. So yes, if you are new to the channel, do hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get regularly notified whenever I make a video. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Welcome back guys. Today we have a box from Amazon. So this is that quite big in size, right? Let's unbox. Actually, the light is quite small. The package is only too big. Just Amazon things. Let's just keep it aside. So yeah, this is our new RGB tube light from the brand Wipro Garnet Smart Wi-Fi LED batten, 20 watts, and slim elegant design, 50% energy savings, 90% brighter, and we have lot more instructions. What's the cost? It's actually, the MRP is 2,690 rupees, but we got in some offer of rupees 1,400. It works with Alexa, works with Google Assistant. Recommended for 6 hours operation in a day for optimal performance. I am not going to use it for 6 hours. IP20 domestic indoor application, works with 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Something to be noted. Color changing, yeah, 16 million mentioned here guys. Color changing, select the RGB light from 16 million colors. Maximum 10 colors. That's what I would be using. White turnable, select the right light from cool white to warm white. Dimmable, oh, you can also adjust the brightness guys. That's really nice, from 10 to 100%. Set a schedule or timer. Oh god, you also can set timer here. All the specifications look good. Let's take out the light and see how it works. So now let's see what's inside. Yeah, safety first. You have a sponge and clamps to just fix them. What more? Oh yeah, we have the light. Anything else? Oh, manual, yeah. We also have the manual. It says how to install this app on your smartphone, because it's a smart light and you need to install an app to get that 16 million colors. So this is the light, guys. Its build is good. Something is shaking inside. Okay, now let's connect some wires and see how this works. First, install the Wipro Nexus Smart Home app and just log in, and it will ask you to sign up or log in. Just sign up with all your details and email address, and it will just ask you to connect to the Wi-Fi. Yeah, if you have one, do connect so that you can connect to the tube light as well, and set some password. And when you switch on the light, it will start to blink. So in the same time, app will also ask like if the light is blinking. Just click yes, and yes, now you have paired the app along with this Wipro tube light. So we are connected to the tube light now through the app. So yes guys, now we have connected to the tube light. Yeah, we have the options like white, color and scene. So let's first see what we can do in the white section. So you can just adjust from a cooler look to a warmer look. We can also adjust the intensity of this light. Oh yeah, this is working. It's quite slow, not that fast. Okay, let's move to the color section. Oh yeah, so here we have options to change the color, change the brightness of the color and also the contrast of the color. So let's first try changing the colors. So I have moved it already, but it's taking 2-3 seconds to recognize the change. I have changed to red. Yeah, it's taking 2-3 seconds. Nice. So the color is actually changing. I hope you are also able to see the change, right? Yeah. So we also have the brightness adjustment and intensity or contrast adjustment. See, that's how they say 16 million colors. Otherwise, how it's possible? For every movement of the slider, maybe they would consider it as a color. So next you have a scene option. Let's see what's there. So here you have multiple presets like night, or you can use it as a night lamp, reading, working, leisure. You have multiple options here. Soft, or if you want soft diffused light, you can go with soft. I think soft green, maybe colorful. You have an option called as colorful. Oh, it's changing from one color to other. Dazzling. Once again changing from one color to other. Gorgeous. What's gorgeous preset? Well, it's slightly, you don't find the difference of change of lights. It's slowly changing from blue to white, white to yellow, yellow to red. Nice. You have power on and off option also. You have other options like scheduling and what all things I already said, right? Those things are also available in the app. So let's once try with switching off these lights here. So yeah, it's totally dark now and full intensity, full contrast. This is how red looks. I have reduced the contrast of the red, intensity of red. Let's slowly change to some other colors and try out blue, cyan. Let's try cyan, green. Yes guys, it's pretty good, but the app is slightly lagging. I have kept red now, so it takes 2 seconds to find what color I have chosen. So yeah guys, that's all about this light. Let's switch on the lights. Yeah, this is a pretty good light. We got it for 1400 rupees, so yeah, pretty good for the money. Maybe you can use it as not as a key light but as a fill light or backlight. It will work pretty good. This is a pretty good light, RGB light. If you want something affordable, some RGB that's affordable, then you can go ahead with this light. So yes guys, we have come to the end of today's video. This is kind of a simple review video of this LED batten smart light from Wipro. Maybe I will use these lights in my YouTube setups in future. So yes guys, that's it for this video. If you like this video, do hit that like button and let me know in comments what more videos you want from me. So yes guys, that's it for this video. We'll meet in another video. Until then, it's your Kario signing off.